Hey yo guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a headlight restoration on any car. I'm just doing it on my S2000. I'm doing currently, as you can tell, there's parts on the floor and everywhere. I'm currently doing a little clutch job on the car, and minus one. In the meantime, I'm waiting for the flywheel to get resurfaced. I'm gonna do a little headlight restoration. Basically what you guys are gonna need is it's called blue painter's tape. Go ahead and mask around the headlight. You don't need to, but if you have some spare around the house, I would recommend you using it. Next thing you guys would need, let me see, I have my tool. You're gonna need some sandpaper. Me personally, I like to use the 2000 grit sandpaper. I bought two kinds just to make sure. Alrighty guys, so this is what you guys are gonna need. Personally, I got my extension cord, my painter's tape. This is just, you can get it at any local auto store. It's a mag and polish, mag and aluminum polish by Mother's. I am going to be using the 2000 grit sandpaper. 2000 grit sandpaper today. And I'm gonna wet sand it, of course. And then I'm gonna use my Black & Decker drill with a little attachment to, this is just an old foam. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Alright guys, first thing you guys want to do, go ahead and grab your sandpaper. This is my bucket of water. Go ahead and just kind of dip it in there slowly. Take off any blemishes off the headlights. And now you guys know why I leave the blue tape around, just so you don't scratch up the paint on your car. This car is very old, but I'm assuming if you guys are going to be working on a little bit new car, you guys want to make sure that the paint's still nice and good around the headlights.
And then you just want to set it until it feels nice and smooth. You don't feel any more gritty on the surface of the headlight. All the roughness is on the headlight, basically small pebbles and rocks. And just debris that gets on your headlights over time. Yeah, we're just going to smoothly go over it. Give it another good couple passes by, and then right after that, I'll show you guys the next step.
Okay guys, next step is go ahead and take a dry towel and go ahead and dry off the headlight. I know it looks even worse than before, but trust me, when we're going to add on the Mother's clay and then we're going to buff it out with the machine, it's going to look shiny. Alright, next what you guys want to do is go ahead and grab your Mother's mag and aluminum polish. Take your finger, wear some gloves, and just kind of take a smear off a little bit. Go against the headlights. Just kind of smoothly, gently rub it in. Go ahead and use all four fingers and kind of use it as a spiral motion. Get all the nice corners and everything. I like to get nice and even shot. We're gonna grab some of the excess up here. You guys don't want to waste any because this thing is kind of expensive. Go ahead and do the whole headlight. Right the corner bottom over here. Right. And once you guys got to that point, go ahead and take a towel, dry off the excess off your fingers, off the gloves. Try to get any off the bumper and the fenders, anywhere where the paint touches. And this next part, okay, you guys are going to go ahead and grab your machine. I'll post in the links on where you guys can get all these parts at in case you guys have some trouble finding them. But basically, you guys are going to want to head and start from the top, kind of go across, and then do a Z motion. Go back and forth. And you don't want to use pressure on it. You just want to let the machine do all the work, okay, guys? Grab another towel, preferably a really dry one. This one should be This one should be okay. Go ahead and remove all the excess off the headlight. Then if you want a comparison, go ahead and compare it to your other headlight. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the first stage. Right, so that's the one we just did. This is how it looked like from the beginning. Right. Guys, after you guys are done with the first headlight, move on to the other one. I did start masking it off, and like I said, the same exact procedure. Go ahead and sand it down with some 2000 grit wet sanding, and then right after that, go ahead and dry it off with a nice towel, nice clean towel. Apply your mother's mag and polish. After that, go ahead and use the buffer, but use it very carefully, because if you do it too hard or too much, you might actually burn the plastic lens on it, and it'll create a very oxidized smear on it, so be careful. But yeah, I'll show you guys the end result once we're finished. Alrighty guys, before it gets dark, last thing you guys want to do is go ahead and carefully remove the blue painter's tape around the headlights, and just kind of do a last run over with the with your towel, and it should come out pretty decent. It's not gonna look brand new, but I promise you it's gonna look better than the before, you know. And if you guys do have time, go ahead, smash the like button for me, put in the comments what I should and shouldn't do, and then hopefully I can keep more of these videos coming for you guys. Peace out.